Belen. Say hi. Hi. Today we're going to be making a winter card. So, are you ready to make a card with me? Awesome. Okay, so some of the materials we need is paper, it can be blue, white, scissors, a little brush or a sponge, a triangle of black paper, and a triangle of yellow paper. Just to decorate, we have some, what do we have in here?
Snowflakes.
Snowflakes, and they're stickers, and I know you love stickers. We also have a tiny little googly eye. You see that?
Yeah.
And then we have a red paint because we want to do a red cardinal. We have a marker and some glue. So we're gonna start making our card today, Belen. Okay. So I'm going to fold the paper in half. Fantastic. Be like this. And now this is the fun part, okay? Where we create our bird. So if you have your left hand, put it just a little closer to me. Close enough. Bravo. I'm gonna add some of this on your hand. And we're wearing special aprons today, right? So we protect our clothing. Oh, this paint smells really good. Scented paint. Didn't plan on that, but. Okay, and now this is a very important step, Belen. You're gonna put your hand on the paper like this, like we practice, okay? And bam! Bravo! Now lift it up. Fantastic! Look at that! We have a Sandra hand and a Belen hand here. Yes, but let's finish the craft, okay? So now we're going to add the snowflakes. Where should we put the snowflake?
This one here.
Okay. And here's a tiny.
This one.
Oh, that big one first. Okay, let's go with the other big one.
Over here.
Over there. Okay, let's do that.
This one over here.
Okay, tiny snowflake. And if you guys don't have snowflake stickers at home, you can just draw the snowflakes. Or you can put any other fun winter sticker. Okay, where should we put this one? Last one. Fantastic. Okay, now our card looks like this. And now we're going to make this little fellow bring him to life. So we're gonna add some legs, and through the legs. And now this is the very interesting part. We're gonna put the black triangle on the top and the yellow triangle on the bottom. So you might have to cut them a little bit just because for bird it's smaller. Think that's good? Awesome. Okay. How old are you, Miss Belen?
4.
4. Nice. Okay, so this is for the little eye. Going this way like this. Now we're gonna put the googly eye. And then our last step is the yellow triangle. And that is for the little beak. There you go. Black triangle on top or googly eye, and on the bottom the yellow triangle. And do you like your card? Yeah. Isn't that cool? Mine are bigger because my hand is bigger. Yours is smaller because your hand is smaller.
Now we should wash my hands.
Yes. Well, we need to say bye to our friends. Say thank you. Have fun.
Oh. bulldog left to seize the sport, and this